got yourself comfortable. I can't cook out here. Just flip him open. We're out cooking soup and mash today, and the conditions aren't very favourable. I had so much interest in my last video. I don't think I'll be able to top that one. There were so many lovely comments on the video. I've tried to answer all of them. If I've missed any of you, I do apologise. I had so many comments about the little table I was using. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about him today. There was a few themes in the comments that kept coming up. My accent and the way that I talk. I'm not from Sunderland or the Midwest of America. I've never been to Australia either. I'm from the beautiful southwest of England. This place has got some history. A lot of comments said that they liked coming out and exploring beautiful places and bits of countryside. So I'll do my best to show you what I can. It's ridiculously windy out today, so we need to find some shelter to cook up. This won't do. That's where you used to go for your number ones. And there's where you used to go for your number twos. It doesn't sit quite right with me cooking where people used to do their ablutions. I think I would have struggled with the lack of privacy in this situation, whereby you've got yourself comfortable, ready to drop the kids off to the beach, and then somebody goes passing by, and you go, all right, mate, that was a good curry last night, wasn't it? Just here's no better. What a cracking spot to be shooting at invaders. I can't cook out here. When I visited here before, I've never seen this gate open. Let's go and have a look. Let's see what's around the corner. Huh. On that disappointment, let's head down over there. I had so many questions about this little table. I thought I'd show them to you. He's made by a company called Soto, and it's called the Field Hopper. There's plenty of room in this bag, by the way, to get a windshield in as well, which is what I usually pack, a windshield inside. Let's get him out. It's got a beautiful mechanism on him. See, it's got the Soto logo on there, and to open him out, you just do that and it deploys the legs. And to put him away, you just close him up and push the two legs in, and you're good to go. I'll show you from the other side. You just flip him open and he deploys, and he's as solid as anything. Got a funny little stove today as well that you've probably never seen before. I had some questions as well about how I made this soup mix. All it is some split peas, which I've ground up, and some lentils. There's no rubbish or anything in there. A few spoons of that. Any herbs, etc. of your choice. Whatever takes your fancy. A few herbs. And that's your soup mix made. I'm going to throw some mince in that today. Quick stir and you're good to go. I did walk down here earlier to see if it was any quieter. I don't think that will be cooking out here. I came down there where I thought it was really quiet, and we've made some new friends. Don't worry ladies, you're not on camera. They're doing the same thing as me. They came down here because it was really quiet and out of the way. Alright, enjoy your day. I was going to make some instant mash to go with me soup, but under these conditions I think I'll be happy with some soup. I really like this little stove as well. It's a clone of a Soto ST10, I think it is. It's a Soto cassette stove. If you put cassette stove in for an internet search, this will come up. I came down here, so I thought it'd be the quietest spot on the whole site. We got steps there. I thought people aren't going to bother to come down the steps. Had a party of walkers here. And then people keep coming across the top and saying hello. How are we doing? This little pot set, by the way, that's also made by a company called Soto. They make some cracking gear. He's really starting to thicken now. It's mixed in with all those lovely juices out the meats. I'm hoping we can have lunch and get out of here before it rains. Let's get him in his little cosy home. Give him a few minutes to get to know himself. I really like this little gas stove. He's a lot of fun. There's a little bit of a learning curve on putting the gas can on and setting him up. But it's not a major thing. Once you get the hang of it, he's a lot of fun. The tide's on his way in now, so it's getting even more challenging with the wind. Have I got everything? Yeah. Let's go and find somewhere with a bit of a view to eat lunch. This'll do. He's kept nice and warm in his little cosy. So that was 3 spoons, I think it was, of my mix. And you can see the peas and the lentils, they've thickened it beautifully. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. The last little video I put out, I didn't expect it to do much. And it's had something like 90,000 views. It's just absolutely mental. And I've got no idea why. I'm just doing the same things I always do. So I'm glad it interests you, the people that subscribed. And I'll just keep doing the same thing, I guess. So thank you very much. I really appreciate your subs. And I appreciate all your little comments as well. I think I said earlier, I try to respond to everybody. Usually I get like 3 or 4 comments on a video. On this one, I can't remember, I've had hundreds of them. I almost needed a PA to kind of go on there and respond. It was so funny. It was absolutely brilliant though. I love all your thoughts and your ideas and all your input. So thank you very much. I absolutely love just coming out and enjoying a bit of nature and just getting outside, and it's an absolute pleasure to bring you all along. Come and sit beside me, have a look at the view.